Bradley Bloodshard. Looks like your wolf is even more fragile than
Father! You old bastard! Your pack cheated! He doesn't even have a wolf! How could he possibly beat my father? What kind of filthy trick did you do?
There's clearly not a trace of wolf on him. But that power, the effortless way he wielded it, it rivals even the Lycan King at the peak of his legend. Who the hell is he?
You little bastard! Don't get cocky! Do you know who my uncle is? He's Chase Sorewind, the Alpha, ranked 8th on the scroll. If you dare hurt us, he'll never let you go. Raven, come back here, don't make it further! You'll bring total disaster upon Redclaw. Even if he were Alpha from the toughest pack, anyone who dares harm my family will end up dead.
What a brash kid. It's you who will die. You are done.
Uncle Chase, you're finally here! You're finished. My uncle is ranked 8th on the scroll. His power will tear you apart like rotten wood.
8 on the scroll. It's over. Redclaw is doomed.
Kid, listen to Mum. Run! You can still get away from this now! You've done so much for us, we won't blame you! Go! Raven, go!
Don't worry, Mum. Laurie, I told you. I'll make sure they never dare set foot on Redclaw land again.
Who do you think you are? The Lycan King? You're nothing but an ignorant brat who doesn't know his place. Today, I'll show you what true alpha power is.
It can't be.
Take this! Wolf spirit! You guys are really into these puppy tricks, huh? Uncle Chase!
Just one strike.
Chase, my brother! Are you alright? That boy must get some forbidden tricks! Try again! We'll beat the shit out of him!
This boy, without even the slightest trace of wolf, however his power is unfathomable. Time to ask that lord for help.
Young man, you are exceptionally capable, though I still have no idea how you made it. Do you want to be my gamma? Treasures, territory, women, just name it, kid, and you get whatever you want.
Why would I serve a man I already beat?
I gotta hold him until that lord arrives. Then he's done.
You're strong. Indeed, strong enough to beat us this time. But can you really stay in Redclaw and protect them forever? The harder you beat us today, the tougher retaliation they'll suffer once you leave! And when that really happens, don't forget this. Everything Redclaw endures is because of your heroic act today.
You hear that, Raven? This is all your fault! Your arrogant decision has provoked them!
and it's our pack to pay for that rage! You're not saving us, but pushing us straight into the fire!
By the way, man, do you really think your mother crying like that means she truly loves you? Don't be silly! If she missed you as much as she claims, why didn't she ever look for you even once in the past 20 years?
Shut up!
I'm telling the truth. Raven, I bet she'd already regarded you as a dead person long ago. Now that you're useful, she just wants to take advantages from you.
Could it be that my mother really, am I nothing more than a tool that matters only when she needs me? Could it be that Mum never really loved me?
Shameless! You don't know the truth at all!
See? Your dear mummy doesn't even say a word to deny it. What's the doubt?
Family's love? Ha! All bullshit. Kid, if we claim now that all the whole Red Claw pack can be spared as long as they hand you over, or simply kill you, what choice do you think your father, Alpha Marshal, would make?
You see? These are the families you're risking your life to protect. I'll give you one last chance. Join us. The entire werewolf world will be ours, and when that day comes, even the Lycan King will have to bow under our force! Trash without a wolf will never be part of Red Claw! Stop disgracing us!
Raven! Don't listen to them! They're lying to you! That's not true!
We'll never be part of Red Claw!
I did look for you, Raven. I did look for you, Raven. Of course I did. Is the proof? Mom. When did this happen? How did I never know? After leaving you in the forest, I never stopped looking for you. Whenever I had the chance, I got out and went around that forest and the nearby towns, asking villagers and travelers if they had seen a baby carrying a half moonstone. Excuse me, have you seen a baby? Have you seen a baby? Excuse me, have you seen a baby? No, sorry. I searched for so long, so very long, almost to the point of despair, until one day
I saw him deep in the alley. He's alive.
a rogue said he knew about an abandoned baby in the forest. In my desperation, I believed him. I never thought it was a trap.
Stop struggling, or I'll slit your throat.
I almost didn't make it out alive. I defeated him, but I was left with this scar. Every night, when I touched it, there was only one thing in my heart. My son. As long as this scar remains, you have never left my heart.
Mom! You went through all of that just to find me.
All these years, even I never knew about this. Raven, everything was my decision. It had nothing to do with your mother or your sister. You can blame me however you want. But right now, this family needs you. Red Claw needs you.
Come on, Raven. We're offering you the whole fucking world. You're a smart guy, aren't you? You know how to choose.
Y'all said you're gonna give me the whole world, is that true?
Of course.
You're right. I do know how to choose. Of course I choose my family.
So what? Your worthless families. Who cares if they all die? What could possibly be more important than ruling the entire werewolf world?
There are many things in this world far more important than conquering it. I may not have spent much time with my mother and sister, but I know exactly what kind of people they are. So this is the last time I tell you guys this. Get out of Red Claw's land. As long as you don't give up your invasion, I will stay here forever, protecting my family. Protect them forever? Fine! Then you all go to hell together!
Raven has already beaten you! What are you still struggling for?
That's true, I'm no match for him. But that lord has already arrived.
That lord?
That lord is none other than the one ranked first on the Wolf Spirit Scroll, the supreme and unrivaled Lord Silver!
What? The number one on the scroll? The Silver Wolf?
Silver Wolf?
Haz clic abajo para suscribirte y ver la versión completa.